guys, today I would like to share with you my new digital kit. This one is called Closet and the color is mustard color and brown color and also with the rustic feel. If you see like the color of like rustic and also with some rose, and it come with 10 pages and 2 add-on, and I will put the link to my shop below. You can cut like some piece of the kit and form like ephemera, and this one with the closet and the rose, love it. And this is it. Sorry, I have to use one hand because I don't have like any tripod, so sorry if this caused like some checking a bit. So this one might be a quick one just to update of what I will post on an Etsy shop. And this is, I love this kit so much because now I'm like obsessed with the rustic feel. And also you will get a doily and another add-on. I have cut some pieces here. You get like a blank tag, this one with the vintage one, there's like some pattern, some flower and closet. Okay, so I will put the link below, and hope you like my new design kit, and just click on the link below if you would like to purchase. And thank you for watching. Bye guys.